Hey, what's up guys? It's nuffsaid here. As you can see, I'm in my Sunday attire, sweatpants and fleece. It's raining outside, but it's also like nice to be here with the light coming through the roof. I gotta say, on one hand, I'm a little more relaxed now. Now that the first cap number 19 is out. But I'm also a little agitated, the video is still uploading. It's been kind of hectic, period lately, and I'm just, like hoping to have a little less failures this time with sewing. So yeah, let's see what today brings. Yeah, I'm a little like all over the place, so just like bear with me. I'll try to focus on the job at hand. Alright, so check this out guys. I'm trying a new way of sewing the band in. I'm not sure if that's a better solution, but basically what you do is it's just like match the edge of the band with the middle of the panels, of the two panels you're sewing the band onto, and you sew on one edge and then you just flip it to the left, so like this side is already attached and all that's left is sewing through the other side. Yeah, I don't know if this one's better, as I told you, but it's always nice to actually check things out and different ways of doing stuff. So I'm just sewing this middle diagonal band, and I can't stop thinking about, because right before he left, my partner in crime, not my partner in crime, but my partner in the studio, we talked about, you know, the state of our world, politically mostly, and you know how gruesome it is. But I also recently listened to this Casey Neistat's wife on what is the difference between how she felt when she was 26 and now that she's 46. And her response was that she doesn't concern herself with things that she cannot change. And I can totally relate to that. Like I'm not at her age, but I can totally comprehend what she's talking about. Like even with these cabs, like I know that my influence on the world is gonna be minimal. I focus on influence and having like some like whatever tiny impact on a few individuals, but I'm completely aware that what I'm doing here has absolutely no impact on the world affairs, and I guess I will have to live with that, you know. Enough said. Okay, let's keep that rolling. Okay, I don't think I have explained one technical aspect of sewing this cup, and that is I couldn't figure out how to actually sew the brim with the crown on the machine. Like I can do it when it's already attached with a thread and needle, you know, when I like hand sew. That's what I'm doing now, because like one has to like go from the inside, and because of, you know, like the shape of the brim, it's putting so much pressure that it's that I found it impossible to like keep the line of the crown how I want it to be, you know. So the only solution to that I could come up with was was to attach it with a thread and a needle. Again, number one solution to everything. Hey. But while I'm like sewing it, I wanted to tell you one more thing that I thought I would like to incorporate into the project, and that is so you already know how I try to record like a personal message to every addressee, and to a particular addressee with every cup. I haven't done it with this one yet, and that one's coming. But I wanted to touch on this one thing that I came up with recently, and it's that I might record an ode to that person, and like video record. But honestly, I'm not that kind of guy who just turns the camera on and speak continuously, with sense. I was always, a person who took his time with words. That like something that you probably already noticed. So for me, a go-to solution for expressing my mind was a pen and paper, because it doesn't rush you. You know what I mean? So what I would like to attach to every cup is a personal letter. First off, because it's gonna allow me to go more in detail on why I picked you as an addressee. Secondly, I've been thinking a lot lately about how short-lived everything digital is. How it's actually amazing that I'm here like doing something with my hands, doing some a material thing, and that hopefully will last for a long time and can't be just shut down. And thirdly, because just in this like very fast-paced world, it's a really nice touch that I would like to convey my my thoughts. So yeah, as you can see, like recording this occupied me so much that I couldn't even like focus on sewing. So yeah, let me finish that off. slideshow. So guys, I haven't yet explained who this cup is going to. You know, as I was like so as I mentioned, so agitated when I was like starting it, you know, I would like pick different textiles, and I had a really hard time selecting one. So I would, you know, like the person I had in mind when I finally found you know, found this color, this fabric, is someone who it's someone who brings me peace. It's someone who gives me comfort like no one else, you know. It's this, you know, it's this familiar feeling of home when this person is around, an irreplaceable feeling of home. Someone that, you know, has been my huge inspiration in so many areas of my life. Someone who showed me the value of perseverance and dedication and sticking to your word. So yeah, this goes out to you.